Hi guys, what's up? Hope you're doing well and welcome to my channel. Hi guys, ignore my puffy face and oily hair, but I just had to tell you that this video was shot in 2021 I think, but I just felt like since it's a birthday series and I'm uploading so many videos, I should also upload this because look अच्छा बन के आ गया था, थोड़ा video quality थोड़ी बेकार हो गई है. I'm sorry about that. बनाया था तो सोचा डाल देती. Also let me know कि ऐसे छोटे-छोटे makeup tutorials देखने में मजा आता है कि नहीं. For today's video we are gonna create this look right here. It's a very pretty glam which is not that difficult to make. It looks like I've made so much of efforts to create this look, but I'm gonna break down how to create this look in the easiest way possible. Just a quick disclaimer, I'm not the best when it comes to makeup, but I'm still trying my level best. One will gravitate towards the matte side of things more. Let me know if you want like a dewy finish makeup look also in the comments. I'm gonna come up with that as well. Let's get started with today's makeup. Hydration is the key to makeup, so you can't skip on hydration. Hydrate your skin no matter what your skin type is. Moisturize it well enough because that way your makeup will stay longer and better. ये moisturizer मेरी dermat ने मुझे recommend किया था and it's a beautiful moisturizer because it absorbs into your skin like ऐसे, leaves a little bit of glow but at the same time does not make your skin greasy, which we need it in summer. Great for oily skin people. Whenever you're attending weddings and functions like that where you want your makeup to stay put through for a really long time, you should never skip on primer. This one is the Color Bar Primer. It gives your skin like a mattifying effect and also blurs out your pores. You can apply a little bit on your eyelids as well. Never miss applying your lip balm because good hydrated lips are so much better than those strappy lips. They don't look flattering at all and they are very uncomfortable to go through, especially if you're wearing a lipstick on top. It's just gonna be super annoying. I'm using the Sebamed Lip Defense Lip Balm. It also has SPF 30. For today's video, we are gonna be using the SFR Colors Hated with Love palette. It's just such a gorgeous, beautiful palette with so many number of shades to play with. You also get a mirror right here, which is dirty, of course. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and this one is in the shade 130 Medium. I'm just gonna be using this all over my eyelids to highlight and sort of prime it for the eyeshadow that's coming up next. So to begin with, I'm gonna be using the shade Worldwide all over my crease like so. Moving on, I'm gonna be taking like a little bit of Pretty Girl mixed with Hey Babe. I'm gonna be using my fingers to do it because the best of pigmentation for this palette comes out with your fingers. Alright, so next I'm gonna be using a little bit of Dreamlight on the center. I'm gonna be using the shade Love UG. I'm gonna be repeating the same exact steps on my other eye as well. Of course, we're gonna make it better as we move forward with the makeup, but this is the basic eyeshadow that I wanted to do. Clean up if there's any fall up with like a tissue paper or something. This is this new trick that I've learned recently that you have to apply your concealer first and then your foundation so that you end up using less product. And when you're going anywhere, shadis mein ya functions mein, make sure that you are sticking by the rule less is more. You don't want to cake up in those conditions. Little bit of concealer, using it on all the marks that I have, and I'm gonna start blending it. Now for the foundation, I'm gonna be using the Nykaa Skin Shield foundation, and this one's in the shade 06 Warm Nude. Just this much for the entire face will be enough. Dot it first. Moving on to contouring, the Sugar face palette, and this is the shade that I'm going to be using to contour my face. So I'm just going to like roughly bronze up sort of my face, apply it a little bit on my jawline as well. Now we're going to move to blushes, are my most favorite part of my makeup. Today I'm going to be using the Stay Quirky blush, and I think this is in the shade Cheeky Girl. Take a little bit, dust off the excess and apply it like so. With whatever's remaining on the brush, I'm going to be using it on my nose and a little bit on my chin. You can definitely skip this step if you do not like it that way. I almost forgot to use a loose powder. Take a little bit of powder on my beauty blender and then just apply it like so under my eyes. I'm not gonna keep it for long. I'm just gonna dust it. Now it's time for the highlighter, and I'm gonna be using this palette. I'm not sure where did I get it from. It says Fashion Factory, but I'm not sure where is it exactly from. Okay, I'm gonna be using this shade to highlight. Moving back to the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this pretty shade called as Christmas mixed with a little bit of the shade called as Dark Brown, and I'm going to be applying it on my lower lash line. I'm going to be using the shade Fantany Light to just give a pop to my inner corners. It's time for Kajal. I'm going to be using the Color Bar Kajal. For my liner today, I'm going to be using the Lakme Absolute Eyeliner. For the mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline's Hyper Curl Mascara. I think I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. This is what my makeup has turned out to be, and I'm not gonna lie, this is not bad at all. I'm trying these funky colors that are completely out of my box for the first time, so please excuse me if you did not like it. I'm gonna be back in like 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, this is the finished and final look. I know it's not the best at it because of course, like I said, I'm not great at eyeshadows and eye makeup specifically. I've actually not done much with my hair because they were like already sort of wavy, curly, and I hope that this was a little bit helpful for you. Let me know in the comments, how did you like this look? I am really sorry if anything in this video hurt you or just annoyed you for like no reason. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Meet you guys super soon. Bye.